Hey, so welcome to Little Hollow Homestead tonight. We've had a lot of rain on top of frozen ground and snow. Not a good combination. We got a little river coming down Little Hollow Homestead. Little River Homestead tonight. I'll take and show you what we got. I've cleaned out the little ditch channel that I've cut alongside the chickens here. But I'm just shoveling snow and ice to keep it flowing so it doesn't create ice dams and block things out and flood the chickens out. So you can see the water line there where the water was coming into the chickens. I've gone up and diverted the water. It's dropped about 4 inches and it's not flowing through the chicken coop anymore like it was, thank heavens. The water level almost got up into my feeder. In fact, maybe it did. I don't know. We'll look at that in the morning, but you can hear. So this is Little River Homestead. We got a nice little river coming. As I go through, the only thing that's damming up the water, like I said, is ice and snow. I've shoveled a ton of snow and ice, and I can feel I'm walking on what it feels like is mud, so I've got pretty much all the snow and ice out of here. As you can see, I'm up to about capacity on my muck boots here. Oh, it's just got a twig in the eye. That was nice. So here you go. You can see we've got a big dam up there. Got a bunch of brush, but it's not affecting anything here. It's not going into the chickens anymore, like I said. So I think the chickens are safe from getting washed out. It's just ice and snow, no mud whatsoever. You can hear me scrape it. Trying like crazy to get this cleared because it's backing up right here and flowing into the chicken coop. There's almost only so much you can do with solid ice. Here's a good chunk. That's what's blocking the channel. Lots of ice. There we go. Whoa. Big ice chunk. Oh. I think you got a piece of Trex that wasn't helping. There's some mud. Oh, there's a big iceberg. We've got a few more of those to go. It will quit backing up with my coop. Let's see, what's that doing? That's starting to drain it. Mud, leaves, and ice. I could sure use her digging skills about now. Huh. Dig. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah, get it. Get that ice. Uh-oh, she lost her iceberg. Get that ice. So I'm getting down to the dirt now. See a lot of leaves and dirt. Since the ground thawed with all this water running over it, take the opportunity now to dig this channel a little bit deeper. Whoa, that is a lot deeper. Woo. This was a fun little surprise to come home to. You can see the water level was right there. So I opened up the channel, we dropped it 6-8 inches. That should be enough to keep it out of the chicken coop the rest of the night and get the coop dried out. I hope. Cross your fingers. Let's check and see how our shed is handled. Oh, that's not good. Ooh. Woo, that's cold water. That is just slush. It's like a snow cone. A mud snow cone. All right, let's see. Oh. Well, you can see. That's about as close as you want to get. The water level was right there where my shovel is. Had about an inch to go and this whole thing would have been flooded. All right. Got a lot of ice here. See if we can usher some of this slush downstream. You helping? Get it, Izzy. Help. Help. She sticks her whole face in the water. You're crazy. I don't know what you're digging for. Oh. I think it's an iceberg. Fill the top of my fire ring. My fire ring's been buried in ice and snow for about a month now. ice isn't thawed out here. Hoping to widen the channel a little bit here to drop that level down. But I don't think it's gonna make much difference. Is video on?
Yes.
Oh, good job, Izzy. Let me get this big chunk of ice out of here. Once you get it to this point, it goes downhill pretty quick. So let's go down and check on the meat chicken coop and see how it's doing. Not near as big of an emergency. There's no chickens in it. Just don't want my infrastructure to get washed away with feeders or anything else. That's a nice shot right there. Picking up a lot of slush. Doesn't look like it's gotten in my meat bird pen here. Still so, well, a little bit. Still icy. Oh yeah, it's in there. All I've got in there is a feeder and some platforms my waterers and my feeder sit on, so I don't think that's going to do any damage. Famous last words. Anyway, gosh, this is exciting. My son, who lives 4 houses down from me, has no running water in this same hollow. It goes past my neighbor's house and just kind of sinks in. For whatever reason, it doesn't sink in here so much. Okay. Here's where it's really backing up, right here. Oh yeah. Looks like that lowered the water quite a bit. Crazy winter. We've been in a drought for a few years. I think most of our snowpack in Utah's, I think all of it's over 175% of normal. Ski resorts, most of them have 100 inches or close to it. So maybe we're turning the corner on this drought. Wish I could capture this water and store it for summer, but that would be nice. Fun times here at Little Hollow Homestead. Never a dull moment. Oh, you see it? Izzy has found something. What'd you find, Iz? Oh, that's an old sunflower stalk that was been buried in snow and ice. She's taken a liking to it. Get it, Izzy. Get it. Get it. Oh, good girl. Good job. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I appreciate it. What a nice present. What a thoughtful dog. Say goodnight to everybody. Say goodnight. She wants to play tug of war. No, you can have it. I don't want it. You can have it. It's yours. Congratulations. Seems like it's slowing down a little, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
can you repeat that?
Uh-huh. I keep sinking. Oh, that would be bad, wouldn't it?
Okay, so we're making lemonades out of lemons. Is that how you say it? Lemons out of lemonade. Anyway, I think I may have the world's only self-cleaning chicken coop. As I looked underneath where the water was channeled underneath, if you look under there, it is nice and clean dirt. There's not a drop of chicken poop to be found. So I guess that's a positive of our little flood tonight. It's a good thing chickens can roost up off the ground or they would have been washed away with everything else. But this is normally a dry hollow. We had a big forest fire up above us on the mountain probably 4 years ago. It was actually where we were in the process of building our home. And so they shut everything down while this forest fire raged. And the first 2 summers we had when we had flash thunderstorms, we'd get flash floods like this. Happened about twice a year for the first 2 years. Last year we didn't get any. And this is the first water that's been in the hollow for the last couple of years. So just took a lot of ice and snow to stop the water from soaking into the dirt. And I think our soil is really saturated, didn't have much room to saturate anyway. So instead of soaking in, it ran off, and this is why we've got our January river flowing here. So thanks for, I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know. What do you think? Huh, I don't know. Chickens are sleeping. Dog's tired, Chuck's tired.
Granny's tired.
I think it's time to go in and go to bed. And hopefully things are still here in the morning. So thanks for stopping by Little River Homestead tonight. Kind of an impromptu video. We came home to a bit of an emergency with water flowing down the hollow. So I think we've got it cleared out as best as we're going to get it tonight. Hopefully this water will start to die down. Hasn't been raining at all for the last hour or so. So I don't know. Maybe it's been pretty warm today. I think it got almost up to 50 degrees. So maybe there's a little bit of snow melt up higher, but I think it's just mostly from the rain all day. So anyway, hope you got a few laughs out of this little adventure we went on tonight. And as always, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like. And thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one. Good night.